Welcome to the module on Goal 2 of the CNCS Performance Measures series. This module is designed to provide you a general overview of the second goal in the 2011 to 2015 Strategic Plan, which focuses on the member experience and where the Corporation for National and Community Service will be focusing its national service investments and measurements. In this module, we will introduce Goal 2. We will describe the agency-wide priority measures for this goal, as well as the grantee sponsor measures that have been selected for all national service programs. A core principle for the Corporation for National and Community Service is to engage Americans in service. By engaging millions of Americans in service and volunteering through national service programs, CNCS is strengthening civic engagement and community-based solutions. We are building a diverse, committed network of engaged citizens. People of all ages involved in service are taking action in their communities and contributing to solutions, while developing skills and accessing new opportunities. Through the AmeriCorps program, for example, members are engaged in year-long projects where they learn valuable skills like leadership and problem solving. They earn money for education and chart a course of lifelong citizen engagement. A longitudinal study has suggested that AmeriCorps alumni are more likely to be civically engaged, to go into public service careers such as teaching, public safety, social work, and military service, and to volunteer in their communities. CNCS research shows that more than 63 million people of all ages volunteer. Those who volunteer reap significant personal rewards which also filter to their communities. Given its national focus, CNCS connects individuals and their work at the local level with a national network of civically minded, committed individuals. This connection, manifested in the CNCS National Service traditions and brand, creates a unique cadre of individuals motivated to provide community solutions now and in the future. Each year, through Senior Corps, AmeriCorps, AmeriCorps Vista, and NCCC, more than 1.5 million Americans of all ages and backgrounds help meet local needs in a wide array of service opportunities. These include projects in disaster services, economic opportunity, education, environmental stewardship, healthy futures, veterans and military families, and other critical areas. We will support those grants and grant activities that strengthen and enhance the national service experience. Such an experience offers a unique combination of professional, educational, and life benefits to service participants. We will continue to expand our reach to include more Americans of diverse backgrounds so that they can take full advantage of the distinct benefits of service and develop a sustained commitment to civic engagement and national service. Moreover, by engaging diverse citizens who possess a wide range of cultural competencies, we will achieve greater impact on community challenges. In order to accomplish this goal, we have established the following objectives. Make national service opportunities accessible and attractive to Americans of all backgrounds. Help CNCS-supported participants find meaning in their service experience and remain highly engaged in their communities. Ensure that CNCS-supported participants are satisfied with the quality of their service experience. Ensure that CNCS-supported participants find professional, educational, or civic growth opportunities in their service experience. And help CNCS-supported veterans and participants 55 years of age and older experience the health benefits associated with service. Engaging a diverse group of participants brings new perspectives and approaches, which improve our work and strengthen the solutions accomplished by our partners. Given the nature of the challenges facing the country, we cannot just engage those who have historically participated. We also need participants from underrepresented populations, including individuals with disabilities, veterans and military family members, people from disadvantaged backgrounds, members of faith communities, and people in rural communities, among others. Expanding the tent to include the full diversity of Americans brings new approaches to our work and allows more people to reap the benefits of service. We achieve better outcomes for both the service participant and the communities where they serve when participants have a positive service experience. That is, opportunities for professional, educational, and personal growth. Participants who have a meaningful service experience remain engaged in their communities and in national service. We also know that people who volunteer have lower mortality rates, greater functional ability, and lower rates of depression later in life than those who do not volunteer. The first agency-wide priority measure tracks the number of veterans and military family members who are engaged as national service participants. This measure reinforces the focus area on veterans and military families and emphasizes the importance of engaging this population in all national service opportunities. Specifically, grantees and sponsors will track the number of veterans participating, providing services in CNCS-supported programs, and the number of military family members participating. The second agency-wide priority measure emphasizes the importance of a quality service experience. We want to ensure that people engaged in CNCS-supported programs have a service experience that expands their education, employment, or civic opportunities. Specifically, the grantees and sponsors will measure the number of participants that report they will utilize their education award. An education award can be used to pay costs at qualified institutions of higher education, for educational training, or to repay qualified student loans. The number of participants that report they value the skills gained from their service. Participants can develop different skills depending on their service. For example, some may develop construction and weatherizing skills. Others may do disaster response planning and operations, and others may develop effective tutoring skills. We want to know that these skills are important to them. The number of participants reporting gains in leadership skills, such as teamwork, communication, and cultural competency. We want to know that the service participants are improving these kinds of skills. The number of participants reporting self-efficacy. Research shows that service and volunteering can expand one's self-confidence and capabilities to produce results. We want to know that the CNCS-supported service experience is contributing to participants' self-efficacy. Thanks for your interest in Goal 2 of the 2011 to 2015 Strategic Plan, in CNCS, and in Service as a Solution. For further information, please contact us at nationalservice.gov. We appreciate your interest in national service.